Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to track your Taobao order with your freight forwarder or your shipping company from the supplier warehouse address to your shipping or freight forwarder warehouse address in China in Taobao. And this is going to be a full logistic explanation about how you ship from Taobao. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our Taobao Chinese shopping app right here. Now, if you open up your Taobao shopping app, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and proceed to your profile. So click on here to go to your profile. Then on getting to your profile, every items or package that is on transit is going to be found right here. So what you want to do is to simply click on this box icon to open up everything. So you can see these are all items on transit right here in my Taobao. Now, how do you track this particular item between you and your freight forwarder? This is one of the important things you need to take into consideration to have a successful shipment from China to any part of the world using Taobao Chinese shopping app. So pay proper attention. What you need right here is your tracking number. And for you to get your tracking number, what you want to do is to click on this box icon right here. That's going to open up like so. The next thing you want to do here is to simply go ahead and click on here to copy the tracking number. So I'm going to copy the tracking number. Now, what you do right here, so I have copied the tracking number. Now, I have about 20 items on transit right here. So you need to make sure you copy each of the item tracking number and send it to your shipping or freight forwarder for a confirmation once they receive the item. Now, when you copy the tracking number, you have to communicate the tracking number with your freight forwarder or your shipping company. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my WhatsApp because my freight forwarder are on my WhatsApp right here. So here we go. So this is the company I'm using right now to ship this particular item from Taobao. So I will go ahead and look for the company. So still okay. So this is the company I'm currently used to ship the item from Taobao to Nigeria. So I'm going to click on here to open up our chart. So you can see our chart right here. You can see our chart. So this is the previous shipment between me and this particular company. And this is the second time I'm using this company to ship my item from Taobao. Now, what we want to do here now is to message them. Hello, please kindly find below some tracking number of goods on transit. So we can simply send a message. Now this is the tracking number right here. So this is the first tracking number. Then we can go ahead and go back to our Taobao and copy all the tracking number and start sending it to them one after the other. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one again to open the tracking. So here we go. Then I will go ahead and click on here to copy the tracking number. So tracking number copy. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and go back to the shipping company WhatsApp right here, paste and send. Make sure you copy and send all the tracking number you have with the shipping address. Once you copy all the tracking number, wait for shipping company to confirm the recipient of the goods on your behalf in their warehouse in China. Once they confirm they receive some of the goods, then you have a successful shipment. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and tell the shipping company to ship the product out of China. They will consolidate and send your parcel to you in whatever country you find yourself. It's that simple. So this is how to simply track your goods with your freight forwarder or your shipping company with Taobao. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about how to import from China using Taobao or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund a Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.